Unfortunately, we can't escape crime. It's everywhere. Last year in the UK alone, there was a crime rate of 96.4 per 1,000 people. There are some ways that we can help to prevent crime, one of them being having security guards. In this video, we'll be tackling through the question, how can security guards help to prevent crime? Security guards can help to prevent crime through many ways. Their main duty is to protect people, valuables, and businesses. They also have other responsibilities, such as monitoring CCTV footage for suspicious activity, watching who enters a building, and ensuring that people are complying with government rules, which can help to reduce crime. If someone is suspected of committing a crime, security guards are allowed to physically restrain them. Another way that security guards can help to reduce crime is simply through their presence. Having security guards can make it clear to thieves or other troublemakers that the place is protected, as they are very good visual deterrents. There are many types of crime that security guards can help to reduce. In retail security, guards help to prevent thieves or pickpocketers from stealing valuable items. They do this by carefully monitoring a store's CCTV footage or by keeping watch at the front of the store. Security guards who work in construction or building security help reduce crime by dealing with break-ins. They can also help to reduce smaller crimes like graffiti and vandalism by doing routine patrols. Sadly, crime isn't something that's going to go away anytime soon. Security guards, like other law enforcers, do help to reduce crime due to their main job being protecting people and valuables from any potential threats. It is highly recommended to have security guards on site at businesses though, in order to reduce crime, as they do act as very strong visual deterrents and can deal with any issues on site. If you can think of any more ways that security guards can help to reduce crime, why not let us know in the comments below. Also, check out our other videos about security guards. We hope you enjoyed this video and we hope to see you in the next one.